Today, I'm going to show you an amazing trick using rice to create a powerful, all-natural fertilizer for your vegetables, fruits, flowers, and plants like tomatoes, onions, garlic, peppers, and cucumbers. You probably already have everything you need at home, and the whole preparation takes just a few minutes. It might sound unusual, but with just one spoonful of rice, you can make a nutrient-rich fertilizer that gives your plants a real boost. The first step is to take 1 tablespoon of regular uncooked rice and grind it into a fine powder using a coffee grinder or blender. This helps the rice break down more easily, releasing its nutrients much faster into the soil. Rice is a hidden gem for plants. It's full of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are essential for strong roots, lush leaves, and healthy fruits. Plus, it feeds the beneficial microbes in the soil, improving the overall soil structure. It has a mild, neutral pH, so you don't have to worry about upsetting the balance of your garden. And the best part? This fertilizer works slowly and steadily, releasing nutrients over time, perfect for long-lasting support, and it costs almost nothing. Now pour the rice powder into half a liter of warm water. Stir well and let it sit for a few hours so the nutrients can infuse into the liquid. After that, strain the mixture through cheesecloth or a fine strainer to remove the solids. You'll be left with a powerful, natural fertilizer. Dear friends, tell us in the comments where you're watching from. We love hearing from you. To finish, dilute the liquid with another 1.5 liters of water, giving you a full 2 liters of fertilizer from just a single spoon of rice. Isn't that amazing? Use this to water the soil once a month, either before planting or right after to give your plants the strongest possible start. If you enjoyed this tip, hit the subscribe button. It's totally free, and we share new gardening secrets every day. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.